Ethereum is changing and gaining momentum like never before. Major institutions are diving in, companies are shifting their treasuries to Ethereum only. Stick around because in the next 10 minutes, we will unpack the latest Ethereum momentum and why this could be the perfect time to keep your eyes on the emerging altcoins. Make sure to subscribe to CryptoNinjas for the best crypto content. First, let's talk about Bit Digital, a NASDAG-listed crypto miner that just pivoted entirely to Ethereum. In an exciting move, Bit Digital has accumulated 100,603 Ethereum using proceeds from a $172 million equity raise and selling off its entire 280 Bitcoins. Bit Digital aims to become one of the largest publicly traded holders of Ethereum. The strategy includes leveraging Ethereum staking rewards, positioning themselves as a long-term player in the Ethereum ecosystem. When publicly traded companies start to allocate the entire treasuries to Ethereum, it highlights Ethereum's importance as a financial asset. With companies like Bit Digital embracing Ethereum over Bitcoin, it reduces the oversupply of Ethereum in circulation, while also sparking a broader trend where more institutional investors look to hold Ethereum as part of their treasury strategy. It's a bullish sign for both Ethereum and the altcoin market. Talking about this trend, another noteworthy move comes from SharpLink Gaming, a key player in the gaming industry, which has officially adopted Ethereum as its primary treasury reserve asset. Keep in mind, SharpLink Gaming is led by Joseph Lubin, the co-founder of Ethereum. SharpLink's decision to hold Ethereum in its treasury is a strong vote of confidence in Ethereum's future. This is a huge signal for the broader gaming and entertainment industry. As gaming companies explore Ethereum's blockchain, it opens the door for more tokenization, NFTs, and gaming assets. Though building these assets on Ethereum's layer 2 is more logical. Regardless, as long as the Ethereum ecosystem thrives, Ethereum token will do well. Next up, we have GameSquare, which has committed $100 million into an Ethereum-based strategy, targeting yields of up to 14% through decentralized finance. GameSquare Holding, a next-gen media and also gaming company, is making a bold move into decentralized finance by launching a $100 million Ethereum-based treasury strategy, backed by a public offering and a strategic alliance with Dialectic. The firm aims to unlock new yield streams and reshape its balance sheet through crypto-native finance. Keep in mind, this is also another NASDAG-listed company. You can clearly see the trend of traditional companies going into Ethereum. This isn't just about holding Ethereum. GameSquare is tapping into Ethereum's smart contract capabilities to generate passive income, which points to Ethereum's growing role as a yield-generating asset in the DeFi ecosystem. This is what differentiating Ethereum from Bitcoin. Holding Bitcoin cannot generate yields natively, but Ethereum can. This is not a FUD against Bitcoin. Bit Digital, SharpLink Gaming, and GameSquare's move highlights the increasing institutional interest in Ethereum's DeFi ecosystem, signaling a potential DeFi season. As Ethereum continues to be the dominant blockchain for decentralized applications or DApps, more institutions will likely explore Ethereum not just as a store of value, but as a platform to build and generate returns. A prime example of institution leveraging Ethereum as a platform to build, Ondo Finance is also making big moves, recently acquiring Oasis Pro, an SEC-registered broker-dealer. Ondo Finance is currently the largest real-world asset project on Ethereum. This acquisition sets the stage for tokenized security on Ethereum itself, with Ondo now able to offer regulated tokenized assets in the US market. By enabling tokenization of traditional financial assets, Ethereum becomes a key player in bridging the gap between crypto and traditional finance, as more traditional assets get tokenized on Ethereum because honestly, why not? It will drive more institutional interest and provide a boost to the broader altcoin ecosystem. Think about it, as real-world assets become more prevalent, more and more fees will be rotated back to the Ethereum ecosystem, raising the overall demands for the ETH token. Ondo is just a start. Finally, let's look at the Ethereum ETF flows. Take BlackRock, for instance, one of the largest asset managers in the world. On July 3rd, 2025, BlackRock ETF saw a 33,000 ETF inflows worth at about $85.4 million. This is one of their largest single-day purchases of Ethereum. We then have two more consecutive green day with $53 and $25 million inflows, not to mention other ETFs, showing real interest from traditional investors into Ethereum. With all these developments in mind, let's take a look at the broader market. Ethereum is gaining steam. Its price is steadily rising right now at about $2,700, almost at $3,000. And Bitcoin dominance is a little bit declining. As Bitcoin's dominance falls, capital flows into altcoins, signaling the start of altcoin season. As we all know, altcoin seasons will start with the lead from Ethereum. With more institutional support, DeFi innovations, and mainstream acceptance, Ethereum is poised to greatness, increasing massively in value. Again, right now, Ethereum is at around $2,700. A good run, but not enough. Ethereum will not stop. It will keep climbing up levels together with Bitcoin as the industry grows. This, in return, has ripple effects to altcoin market. As Ethereum rises, other altcoins are likely to follow, making this the ideal time for an altcoin season. Hopefully coming soon in late 2025. And hey, if you want to keep up to date with the latest project launches, project reviews, make sure to subscribe to CryptoNinjas and use all of our referral links below to get 20% off of the trading fees for life. Thank you very much, take care, and I'll see you on another video. Daily out.